Hello, this is Amy Harbeck with Kinlan Grover Compass. Welcome to Robbins Pond in Harwich. The house I'm introducing to you today is 17 Rogers Road, and it has deeded access to this beautiful pond. It's also very close to the Punkhorn Conservation Area, which has miles of hiking trails. Come check it out. This sweet house has so much potential. It even has heat, so it can be lived in year-round. And it has laundry in the basement, which is also great for storage. It won't last, so I can't wait for you to come check it out in person.